Today is another day in Manila and we are going to the cinema today. But first let's get some iced coffee. We've got another iced coffee for Shen.
But it is a white mocha.
A white mocha flavor. And now we're walking to the cinema. And yesterday at night I was suddenly throwing up, which was really weird and random. So I'm not very hungry, so only coffee for me today. Now you can see the daylight. It is truly huge. Let's go to the other side, because there are two sides. This is the wing. It is really beautiful as well. It's so nice decorated. Small breakfast. We have banana loaf and triple cheese. We arrived at the cinema. Let's go. I wanted to buy some drinks, but apparently you get one drink and one popcorn included with your ticket. So we paid 700 pesos to watch this movie, which is like 10 euros per person, but it is including the drink and the food. In the Netherlands alone you already paid 10 or yeah, something like 10 euros for only the food and drink, and another 15 for the movie. We're in the movies right now. Take a look at this seat. Cup holder, you can change it here. It looks so nice, and you are very private, like one couple, 2, 3, and then the next row. Really nice.
And Sven is chilling in his chair. And we got some popcorn, some water, an iced tea in a cup with Stitch.
Fleur.
So that's a win-win situation.
I can sleep like this. Sitting so
And you only sit together. So it's literally a private cinema.
We are out of the cinema, and honestly this was the best cinema I've ever been to. For real, it was amazing. It's really private.
8 euros.
No,
and
10.
It was
10 euros.
Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. 10 euros, and it was included with the popcorn, with a bottle of water, with a takeaway cup from
Lilo and Stitch.
Lilo and Stitch.
With iced tea.
So
only 10 euros, it's really good. So let's go another time, right? Honestly, when you enter this room, it really smells like shit. Like molds or something. Really chemical. It's real nasty. So we keep the door open right now. We are walking to a nail salon right now, and Fleur's gonna get her nails done. It's somewhere there. It is somewhere around here. I think this one or the blue one. Not sure. Google Maps says it's somewhere around here, but
I don't mind.
looks yummy. The shawarma wrap. Is it good?
the wrap is sweet.
Oh, and Fleur also got her nails done. Let me take a look at your nails. Wow.
It's really beautiful.
It's really nice, right? Pretty girl. I've got a melon shake with pineapple. And over here they make something like tortillas with egg and cheese and meat, and then they fry it. Looks really good, so I'm gonna try it. Okay, let's try this tortilla. It looks really good. And you also get some spicy sauce, I think. Okay, let's try it. It's real good.
You always clean. I don't know what it means.
You always make a mess.
You always make a mess with the food.
There is egg in it, cheese, meat, and we also got some ice cream. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to subscribe. We really love the support. And make sure to check the following videos, because for the next 3 weeks we will stay in Thailand for awesome adventures. Bye bye.